To install free icons in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe down notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Okay, tap themes, and then tap icons. Select top, and then on top drop down menu, tap drop down menu, and then tap free. Select icon you want. For example, okay, this icon, and then tap download. Wait until process complete, and then tap apply to apply icon. This icon set it's not optimized for your system software, so some icons may not look right, and then tap apply icon. Other method to open theme setting, long tap in home screen empty area, and then tap themes, select icon, and then select icon you want, and then tap apply. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.